Kamano bende wadhi e kaunti ma Mombasa kama weg ute thieth mag giwegi e kaunti no sayo piny owacho kuom deko cholo ne omenda magero chiwo thieth ne jotuo e bwo chenro manyien mar thieth mar Social Health Authority kata bang' lando ni shillings bilion 3.7 osechwal e ute thieth. Kane giloso gi jofwamb weche Mombasa, gikoni jotuo madwaro bero sani ok nyal yudo thieth mowinjore e bwo chenro no mar NHIF kaluwore gi ng'ikruok mantiere e yore mag mbui. Komachielo giseyo tend kaunti ma Mombasa kuom medonegi osuru, gino magikoni kidek mana ng'awo nengo mar thieth, kata obedo ni piny owacho dwani nengo thieth odog piny to chutho ne jogo maonge kod nyalo.
You cannot come up with a fee on a level 4 hospital ambayo ni kidogo. You say 700,000 per year. That fee will be transferred to the common mwananchi. It is just logical. If you charge a level 2 dispensary 200,000 single business permit, it will be transferred to an orphan, an elderly person, and a vulnerable person. Even today, the money that was announced that has been released, only about 1.3 billion has arrived. You create a false perception that money is circulating, and yet healthcare providers to this day are unable to provide care because no money is circulating. What we are urging the government, please let us stop the public relation gimmicks. You do not need to announce you have paid us. When you pay us, the services themselves will announce to the Kenyan people that facilities have been paid.
Businessmen are having a lot of problems. So when you levy us 700,000, 300,000, 90,000 or something like that, are you intending for health to succeed or to fail? Most of our members have ended up closing facilities because of the problems they are undergoing.
Kuom thuolo mar higni adek sani, Ramogi TV mena achiel kuom tong' wang' jowi mag